Hello Flapish, I hope everyone is having a wonderful vacation. This week's parasha is Parashat Mishpatim. The parasha begins off with the following pasuk. Ve'ele hamishpatim asher tasim lifnehem. And these are the laws that I will place before you. If you look at the entire Parashat Mishpatim, it is full of laws, ben adam lahavero and ben adam lamakom. And the Ramban states that the last couple of pesukim at the end of Parashat Yitro, and as well as Parashat Mishpatim, are all dealing with a reflection of the Aseret HaDibrot. Meaning somewhere in Parashat Mishpatim, and right beforehand in the end of Parashat Yitro, you will find certain pesukim that correlate and reflect the Aseret HaDibrot. The odd aliyah here that we have is aliyat mashlim in Perek Kavdal of Parashat Mishpatim, where it actually delineates the entire chain of events that happened prior to Ma'amad Har Sinai. Moshe Rabbeinu taking some blood, giving some korbanot, and then going up to Har Sinai for 40 days and 40 nights. And the obvious question is, why is it that the Torah in the end of Parashat Mishpatim, Perek Kavdalid, goes back 4 chapters to discuss the issue of Aseret HaDibrot? We just had it in Perek Kaf. Why now 4 chapters discuss it later again and show us how Moshe Rabbeinu went up to Har Sinai and stayed there for 40 days and 40 nights? Rashi and most Mefarshim would say the following Pidgam, En Mugdam Umeochar B'Torah. There is no before or after in Torah, meaning there is no Seder. And what that basically means is, all the Mefarshim that we've had in the past, as well as us, Am Yisrael, it's our job to actually take the different pieces of Torah Shebichtav and put it together like a puzzle. There is no order, because the Torah is not a history book. It's meant to be more of a law book, Parashat Mishpatim, or a book about guidelines. That's why the word Torah comes from the word Horim, which is parents, to show us the way. But at the same time, if you think about it, on vacation right now, there is also no before, no after. There's no order. You know, you could wake up and you could get up a little later in life, and enjoy your vacation, right? There's no rush to go to minyan, or to be in school at 7:30, or to pray mincha at a certain time, even though we still have to pray the 3 tefillot every single day. And what I think the Torah is telling us here, the message is, even though that we are right now on vacation, a well-earned and well-deserved vacation, and even though there is no before or after, and there is no order, at the same time, we still have to make sure to keep all of our interests and our best interests for HaKadosh Baruch Hu at heart, and that is to follow the Torah and make some type of order from our vacation. So even though vacation is a time to have a little break, a well-earned break, at the same time, even though there's no mugdam and no mu'ahar, we still have to strive to do our best to do all the Torah and mitzvot in honor of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Have a wonderful vacation.